Hey guys, I'm Nat. Today I'm going to talk to you about the LiveScribe Pen, also known as the Smart Pen, which is a handy tool for students to use to take notes. I am first going to talk about why students use it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. What is cool about this pen is that it keeps track of what has been said in real time. Unlike previous versions of this pen, it does not have a microphone. Instead, you would use your phone to record everything, since phones are better at picking up sounds and such. The pen is useful for students who have difficulty processing information and putting it in their long-term memory. This pen would only be effective, however, for students who can already write and take notes while listening to a lecture. It would also lessen the anxiety of depending on note takers to take reliable notes, since you have everything that the teacher said. That could be for or against the teacher themselves. To turn on the pen, the only thing that you have to do is twist the middle section to the right, and you can see a little green dot right there. Now that you have your pen turned on, I'm going to show you how to use the notebook. The notebook itself looks like a regular notebook, but inside it's different. As you can see, there are little, well, maybe you can't see, but there's little tiny dots on the cover. And that's what helps the pen keep track of what is being said. And right here, there's like a calculator that you can do calculations with your pen. Another calculator, you can find the calendar, the date, the time, you can do settings. And these are the things that are the most important for you for when you start recording. This is the page, and at the bottom of the page, you see a record button. Right here, it says record, so you don't have to know it. Then it has the pause and the stop button, and you can jump and rewind, and you can even bookmark things that you like to keep track of, which is, I think, pretty useless because I never use them, but I think for some people they can be helpful. Okay, so now that you've figured out how to use the notebook, I'm going to show you how to use the phone with it. The app that we use is called LiveScribe Plus, which I don't think you can see well. Hold on. You can see very well, but it's this app right here. You would press it, and you have the menu that pops up. The notebook that I want to use is the first one, the one that's not yet labeled. What I would do is I would click the notebook, and it shows me the page. And as you can see, it's identical to this page right here. Cool, huh? Now I want to start recording what my teacher says or what I say. So below, I press the button that says record. Okay, see that? And then now I take my pen, I turn it on, and I want to make sure that it's green. And while my phone's playing, I go down here and I press, hold on, my computer's weird. You press the record button, and it's starting to record right now. You can tell because it's red, and I'll start writing. Like I can write a heart or a star, or I can write, these are my notes, are my notes. And as I am writing these words down here, it is being copied over to my phone right here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's pretty cool. So when I want to stop recording, I just go down here and press stop, and it clicked, and it's blue, meaning it stopped recording. So on this right now, it's saying it's finalizing. Well, it said it was finalizing. Okay, so now that I've recorded everything via my pen on my notebook, I can go to my phone into the section where it says Pencasts, and I would select Pencast 4. Phone's playing. And I go down here, and I press, hold on, my computer's weird. You press, and that is what was recorded as I was writing down all this information. Now there's a whole bunch of other really cool tricks you can use with this pen. I don't know what you call it, but it's pretty nifty and it's really helpful. And I would highly recommend anyone who is bad at note taking or who needs extra assistance processing things, I would recommend it. Anyways, that is the LiveScribe Pen.